So if you tried to add the Cash App card directly from the Cash App app and it didn't work, what we're gonna have to do is simply open up our settings, and then we're gonna have to scroll down until we see Wallet and Apple Pay. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply tap on Add Card, and from here what we're gonna have to do is simply select debit or credit card. Then simply scroll down until you see Add a different card, and then tap on Continue. And here we're gonna have to simply tap on Enter Card Details manually. And from here, you're gonna have to enter your full name and then your Cash App card number, and simply tap on Next in the top right corner. And basically, that's how you can simply add your Cash App card to Apple Pay. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.